Welcome back to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, those prices. And today we have a most likely, I feel like these tend to be accurate, weekend deal. And it's like a day early. Normally we'll get these weekend deals on Thursday, but in this case, we've gotten it a tad bit early. Now, I guess it's not 100%, but it's most likely, and it's a really good deal. So let's go over it. This doesn't include the fine print, but even without the fine print, we know how free gifts work. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. As soon as the actual ad comes out, of course, we'll go through the fine print. But I want you to have it a day early so you can plan your weekend. So this is it. Free gift, 3 days only. It looks like the Pittsburgh 9-piece wrench set, which they have given away free not too long ago, and it was a hit. Getting a free wrench set, 9-piece, looks like they're showing SAE here at least, but I do believe they offered last time both SAE or metric. And we have the Warrior 2-piece step drill bit, and then we have a free gift. And I'm hoping this is true. If someone's trolling me, hopefully not, but it looks like they're gonna have the Icon adapter set, a 4-piece Icon adapter set, which a free gift from Icon, and a free Icon gift from Harbor Freight, that's the dream we're living. And so let's just take a look at what these are. And I gotta say, there was one time where these deals were called the premium gifts, and they didn't turn out to be super premium. They were better than what they had given before. It wasn't zip ties, although I love me some zip ties. These feel relatively premium. So here we go. Pittsburgh, fully polished SAE combination wrench set, 9-piece. Should be able to get it in SAE or metric, but the same price for both. And for a free wrench set, normally with any purchase. And here's what they've done in the past. This was a free gift for anybody when you spend $24 or $25 or more. You can choose either batteries, it was the Braun 500 lumen LED light, or the fully polished combination wrench set 9-piece SAE or metric. And it was free for ITC. So this is one of the options. This, of course, has the exact same wrench set that they gave away. This was back at the beginning of the year. They had some rapid fire deals that were still going on. But this is the difference. So it's $25 for anybody or free with any purchase. And of course, we always recommend getting, if you're ITC, getting the pencil, or if you're going in for $25, I give you a few options. And so that's most likely the way they'll do these. But let's go ahead and take a look. Again, we have the $9.99 Pittsburgh fully polished SAE combination wrench set. Then they also have the Warrior. I believe it's the 3/16 to 1 3/8 inch number 4 titanium step drill bit, 12 steps, and number 5, 11 steps. That's what it looks like in the picture, but not confirmed. It could only be a couple of options. They only have a few 2-piece steps, so it could be this one here, the one that's on clearance at $16.97, or this one at $16.99. But we'll just go ahead and look at this one. Titanium steel step bit, $17. $17 is close to, and I don't know if they raised the price on these, but that's pretty close to the highest price of free gifts that I've seen. $17 value for a free gift, hopefully with any purchase for ITC, and if not, hopefully a reasonable price for everybody else. And then the one that will run out, I imagine, is the Icon professional socket adapter set, 4-piece, also $17 value, and it's Icon. Any free Icon gift is an amazing gift. And at least from the picture, it looks pretty clear that this is what they'll be giving away for free. Again, it's not for sure, but the source seemed relatively accurate and legitimate. So hopefully we'll get the actual advertisement soon. And then that way we can read the fine print and we'll know exactly what we're getting. But I wanted to let everybody know as soon as I knew, just so you can know what to expect for the weekend. But with that, don't forget 20% off any Merlin hose, and the super coupons are out. I'll link that video at the end, just in case you missed it. Again, I hope you find these useful. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.